My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Tesla Model X. This vehicle has done just under 12,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that the Model X comes with 7 seats in total, all of which are cream leather. If you press this button, we can shut our Falcon Wing door. On the user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature, and if we click on the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, pedals and steering, suspension, charging, and autopilot. We also have safety, service, and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. If we press here, we can access our parking camera. And if we press here, we can access arcade, toy box, Spotify, energy, and browser. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.